Welcome back. This quick guide shows how to easily find your locked chats on WhatsApp using a simple built-in feature. It works on most Android and iPhone devices where chat lock or biometric lock is enabled. Follow the steps below to access them safely. If you have already locked chats using Face ID, Fingerprint, or device passcode, WhatsApp keeps them hidden in a dedicated folder. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Now swipe down slowly from the top of your chat list until you see the Locked Chats option appear. Tap on Locked Chats and authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or phone password. Once verified, you will see all your protected conversations in one place, just like a secure inbox inside WhatsApp. Method variations may appear depending on your WhatsApp version. In some updates, locked chats may appear at the top with a lock icon, while in others, you must pull down the chat screen to reveal it. If you still cannot see the locked chats folder, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version and that chat lock is enabled in settings. Without enabling it, the folder will not appear in your chat list. Always remember that locked chats are designed for privacy, so they stay hidden unless you manually unlock them. This helps keep your private conversations safe from anyone who may access your phone. After checking, you can exit and continue using WhatsApp normally. Follow these steps carefully for quick access anytime and ensure your chats remain secure and easy to manage going forward.